In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off being active on Instagram. So you would notice this as you're messaging someone and they can see when you were last active on Instagram, and it will actually give you an amount of time as well. So it's a very easy way to turn this off. So go to your Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right corner here, and then go to the three bars at the top right corner. What you want to do here is scroll all the way down until you see where it says messages and story replies. Go there and then go ahead and find where it says show activity status. So what this is going to do is you can toggle this on and off. We're going to toggle this off. That way people can't see when you were last active on Instagram, just in case you want to be a little bit more private. And you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts as well. So that is also something to keep in mind as well, is that you won't be able to find or see other people's status updates either. So it's very easy to do. It's very easy to turn back on as well. So hope you guys found the video helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next one.